In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change language in Google AI Studio 25. If you're viewing Google AI Studio in Chrome and want the interface and page text in another language, the quickest way is to use Chrome's built-in translate feature. Start by opening the Google AI Studio page and let it fully load. Then head to the top right corner of your Chrome window and click the three dots to open the main browser menu. In that menu, look for the option labeled Translate. Click it to bring up Chrome's translation controls. You'll see that Chrome detects the page language, usually English, and offers to translate it. Click the language selector to choose the language you prefer. Pick any language that works best for you, then confirm by clicking Translate. Within a moment, the page will refresh and the on-screen text, menus, and most interface labels in Google AI Studio will appear in the language you selected. This makes it easier to navigate tools, read prompts, and understand settings in a way that feels more natural to you. If Chrome suggests a language that isn't yours, simply open the same language list and select the one you want. After you choose it, click Translate again. Chrome will apply your selection and convert the page into that language. To switch back to how it was before, you have two simple options. You can repeat the same process from the three-dot menu, choosing English or your original language and clicking Translate. Or use the Translate icon directly in the address bar, right next to the star icon for bookmarking. Click that icon, select the language you want to return to, and confirm. The page will revert and everything will display in the original language. A few helpful notes as you do this. Chrome Translate changes the language of the page you're viewing. It doesn't change your Google account settings or the default language inside Google AI Studio itself. Some specialized elements like images with embedded text or certain dynamic components might stay in the original language. If you don't see the Translate option right away, make sure the page is fully loaded and try clicking the Translate icon in the address bar. It's the same tool, just in a slightly different place. And that's it. That's how to change the language in Google AI Studio using Chrome in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads.